Now you downloaded the new app, right?
Not the new app, just the one that I got right here.
Yeah, that's it. That's the new.
Yeah.
That's the new app. Boom. Look at that. Come on.
Oh, it can go sideways too. There you go.
Look at that. Huh? When you walk out and you see a client, that's awesome. How long you been a client?
Under a year.
How's it working out for you?
It's been good so far. Yeah, I've been able to quickly send messages to contractors. In fact, today I had somebody scan my QR code.
Now watch. I'm going to show you something.
Yeah.
Hit add widget. Hit done. I'm not familiar with Android. Let's see.
Oh, come on, get with the times. No, just kidding.
How do you add this as a widget, G, on an Android?
Well, there's a more function. I don't know, maybe. And that doesn't.
Go back to. Go here. Go here. Where do I hit that, G?
Yep. That's going to tell you how to do it.
Oh, on the home screen, touch and hold an empty space.
Got it.
Tap the widget.
Got it. You hold it.
There we go.
Okay. Now look for the widget. Where?
Right here. Oh. Widgets down here.
Try that. And then put in OneTap. Yep. Now touch that, I guess.
Add.
Boom.
Oh, the QR code's on my dash. There we go. Good job.
So now you don't have to go into the actual app anymore. So look it. Now when you meet somebody, someone says, "Do you have a card?" Boom.
There you go.
Yeah, come by the booth.
Yeah.
What's our booth number? 212? 221. We're actually straight up the way
We're
here.
not far from you, 201. So
Yeah, so Danny's there right now. Go by and see Danny. Just tell him you're a client and tell him Charlie said to hook me up with some accessories for the show.
swag.
Yeah. We'll get you handled.
All right, buddy.
All right, good to
Thanks,
see you.
Charlie.
Thanks for being a client. Oh, look at that. Ain't a setup. I can't make that up. We're just walking the experience show. People always say, how difficult is it to meet people? And it's not that difficult. Like if I didn't know better, I would say that's Darren Humada. Darren, is it Darren? Darren's looking, look at that smooth operator right there. That's a player right there. Bro, they wouldn't let me in. I mentioned your name. They charged me $1,000 and they let me right in. What's going on?
Nice going, Charlie.
Hi.
Nice
Charlie,
to meet you.
meet Holly.
Holly?
Actually, I
Pleasure.
had
Hi,
talked
Katie.
to
Charlie.
you guys
Nice to meet
about
you.
the OneTap card. This is Charlie.
Oh,
Hi, Charlie.
Nice to meet you.
The electronic business
I think it's
cards.
been a while since I've
My
probably
business
seen
cards
you
are
at
at
your
the
booth then.
That's G. G's taking some social media.
G, yeah. This was,
Are you G because no one can pronounce your name?
Yes. When I first met him,
So that
Let
was
me take a stab.
Elaine?
Gilly?
Gislan.
So that was the one that we did for. Did he help me do just for the IICRC?
Let's see.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, I was doing it more Arab. You just tap it on your phone? He's like, no, that's not it.
There you go.
Yeah, you showed this to me.
That's awesome. I like that. That's very
Yeah, I
cool.
like it.
Yeah, you should.
He showed it to you because you were supposed to call me.
You didn't give me your contact info.
Oh, I could help you with that.
I'm sure you can.
Now that he's here, right?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Charlie, and thanks for watching. And if you like the content, what I have to say, hit the subscribe button. And more importantly, book a demo so we can show you how to brand position and differentiate yourself in your space with impact and influence so you can close more deals at higher price points.